Okay, hey guys. So today we're gonna talk about floats, and float right, float left, and by float comes clears. You have to clear when you're floating. Sometimes you do, but most of the times you have to clear, because when you are changing the what do you call it, the factors or the values of the preset um, block elements. Like a block element in HTML is a element that contains the whole width, as like it takes up the whole space from the one side of the screen to the other side of the screen. That's a block. An inline block you can write multiple of the same, and it would stack on its side on its side of each other. But a block it will go on beneath each other without anything, just writing it. This is where flow comes in and clears. You can take a block element and block elements and put them on these on the side of each other. So first of all, let's just make the quick website. Get the basic stuff on, and here you can just type exclamation mark enter. If I think you have to download the HTML standard things in the extensions. Same with this, you have to download the same package extension to do this. A little shortcut right here. So I'm just gonna make a quick style and drag it over here so you can see both of the screens. Okay, so if they want to, let's say this, we want to float some things, and a section is of course a block element. Okay, it does not go beside each other, and this is where you can see it. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a background color, and just make it red, and you have to have a width and a height. So I'm just gonna make a 250 pixels width and a height on the same. That's where you can see it. I'm just gonna make the live server, which you also should look into if you haven't. As you see, it's a block element. You cannot stand beside each other if not floated. Okay, I can just make this clearly by making a margin. Yeah, just look at my just 20 pixels, just quick to show you that there are 3 boxes. Look, there's 3 boxes. Okay, let's say I make all of these, and now I'm targeting all the sections because I'm not using any class or ID. I'm just using the element name, a section. So I can just write float like left. Oh, sorry, like this. You see. But what happens if I want something to stand beneath it, I don't want all my sections to go to float left. I know I can make classes and all that. This is because of this. I can make a clearing function. If I want something to stand under the, like, let's say these two, I want them under these two. I can just make a quick div and call it well, I'm just gonna style it in directly inside. Let's just style it right here. Let's just say clear left. Bam. You are basically just clearing all formatting stuff that's just happened because we're floating. We just clear all that because we float left. And since we did that, it will just automatically start from a new line. The same thing we'll do with floated right, where you basically just have to do the same thing down here. Just want to clear right. See? Oh, and another thing, if you have like let's say you have a main, a main wrapped around all these sections. Okay, it will still work. Okay, it's fine. Let's get this main. Let's get this main in the background color so we can see what we're working with here. Just get a black. You see, these goes outside. That's because we have floated them. We have floated these, and we have floated everything. So it's kind of hard to tell, but that's just how HTML works apparently in CSS. So in order to this black box the main to get beneath this again, because if you don't clear, it will stay. It will get inside. Well, it won't because we haven't defined a height and width, but that don't matter. But if you want this to get inside again, what you basically just have to do in the end of everything, you have something to float in it. Always in the end, just make a div quickly and make a style this div to clear both. Bam. That's it. That's all you have to do. Clear both basically just clears everything up from the left and the right. That's just really this is really great to do just in the end of everything that has something to flow inside it. We have a main and we have these sections to flow inside this main. So inside this main at the bottom we will have this clear both. Yeah. So that's basically what floating and clearing is. This is what we build websites in the earlier days. I started with this in 2014. Yeah. So this is what the old way. Yes, that's it. Bye.